meeting of Panchayat members, like-minded citizens from Kandolin and Kalangut and Baga. That the main roads are getting congested. Various reasons are there for that. That our locals only, the locals who are staying within the vicinity, त्यांका कॉन्फिडन्सान घेऊन आम्ही पार्किंग आणि नो पार्किंग एरिया नोटिफाय जी आधी केली तिथून कॉरिजेंडम करून बस स्पेस पार्किंग फॉर 2 व्हीलर्स पार्किंग फॉर 4 व्हीलर्स बियॉन्ड द रोड. आता रोडार जे पार्क जाता ते लिफ्टिंग जातले. नाव वी हॅव 3 people in place for lifting the vehicles. Kandoli Panchayat is also doing, Kalangut Panchayat is also doing, NGPD is also doing. So we want some system to come on the roads. We want road discipline, and that has to be done by the people of this area. They have to see that there is discipline on the road, there is no traffic jams, there are so many businesses, fire brigade has to reach the spot within no time, ambulance has to go anywhere within no time, as and when there are accidents or whatever takes place. Somebody gets a heart attack or anything, ambulance has to reach their house. So no traffic jams on the road. All the vehicles should be beyond the road, parked beyond the road. So we are going to notify all the area under parking and no parking.
Fees bastale or parking?
No, parking fees no.
No.
Lifting 100% yes. All vehicles will be lifted which are parked in no parking, or which are parked in 4-wheeler parking. A 2-wheeler parked in 4-wheeler parking will be lifted.
If somebody,
strictness has to be there, otherwise there won't be space, there won't be place to drive a 4-wheeler or 2-wheeler.
How much fine would be put up if somebody found?
Right now there is a fine which they are talking about is 250 rupees and plus traffic cell 100 rupees. So 350 rupees are the fine. So we request the public that, and also tell your people who take it on rent, like 2-wheeler, that park only at parking spaces.
So now Kalangut is a main tourist destination, Kalangut, Kandolin. You spoke about this store parking, multi-level car parking.
Of the hour on trial basis, just to start and put it in the minds of the tourists and also the people. We want to start one in Kalangut and one in Baga. This will be done with public-private participation. PPP model. We will give the land, build, operate, own, transfer, good basis. So land is available with Komnidaj, the tenant, and it is marked in the ODP for a multi-level car park. Once we issue a tender, some bidders will come, they'll bid, they'll take, and they will pay money on yearly basis to all the 3 owners. Panchayat also will be party, the Komnidaj also will be party, and tenant also will be party.
Each building would accommodate how many vehicles according to you?
This works out, then we will get around 250 4-wheelers going in one multi-level car park, plus 2-wheelers.
When you would like to see this light of the day?
See, once the Town and Country Planning Board gives us the order for ODP and also for pay parking, multi-level car parks. So we want it to be minuted in their final meeting, and order should come from Chief Town Planner to us that to decongest these areas, Kandolin, Kalangut and Baga, you do one multi-level car park with the owner's consent.
One way tourism is a boon as a revenue for you all. In the other way, do you feel it is difficult as far as traffic congestion, pay parking, everything?
When tourism is increasing in this coastal belt, we will have to give infrastructure. And infrastructure is the need of the hour. Whether they are proper roads with footpaths, proper drainage system, proper parking, multi-level car park, and notification of pay, no parking, 4-wheeler parking. Every person will have to follow this, or you will be challaned. So challaning has already started. Now there are 3 agencies which are working. So we request the general public that they should cooperate.
So today meeting, who were present?
All sarpanchas, ward members of Kandolin, Kalangut were present, traffic PI was present, and like-minded people who have shared their views on all these things, they were present. So we request the public that, and also tell your people who take it on rent, like two-wheeler, that park only at parking spaces.
So now Kalangut is a main tourist destination, Kalangut Kandolim. You spoke about store parking, multi-level car parking.
And of the hour on trial basis, just to start and put it in the minds of the tourists and also the people. We want to start one in Kalangut and one in Baga. This will be done with public-private participation.